Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix no sound coming from your Dell monitor. So first and foremost, make sure to double check your model of your monitor if it includes a built-in speaker. If it doesn't, then this tutorial will not work for you. So first, what you're going to do is when you're in your desktop, observe the taskbar, and in the right corner of your screen, you will see a sound icon here. Click on it. On the side of the 100% volume bar, click on the button here. When you hover on it, it will say select a sound output. Click on it, and then here just select your monitor. It will show you the model of your monitor under here in your output device if your Dell monitor has built-in speakers. When you see that, go ahead and select that and then test play an audio out of your computer. That should fix your problem. If it doesn't, make sure to double check your cable also. So that's basically it.